You're watching The 7 from WATE 6 on your side.
Good evening. I'm Lori Tucker in for Bo Williams tonight. Welcome to The 7, leading off our big 7 stories of the day. The heat wave hitting our area and so much of the country. It is so hot. The town of Farragut here has closed its athletic fields until 8 tonight. So hot that TVA had another massive power demand yesterday. Back-to-back 30,000 megawatt days in June for the first time since 2012. So hot that the storm team is telling us to be weather aware, and we've broken a record. Meteorologist Victoria Cavalieri joins us in the Storm Center. Victoria, how hot is it?
Well, Lori, we did manage to hit 96 degrees this afternoon at the Knoxville airport. That breaks the record high for today, which was 95. And we're still seeing temp readings in the 90s right now. This is a live look over West Knoxville. It's kind of hazy out there, not a lot of cloud cover, and many locations are currently sitting in the low to mid 90s. We're still at 95 degrees in Athens and Knoxville, 94 in Middlesboro, and up to 91 in Wartburg. We talked about that record. The old record was set back in 1943, and this afternoon we shattered that. We hit 96 degrees, and that will now take over as the new record for this date. Factor in the humidity, and it feels even warmer than that. It's feeling like 102 degrees right now in Knoxville, feeling like 104 in Tellico Plains, and it feels like temperature there of 103 in Gatlinburg. As we look ahead to tonight, gradually we'll see temp readings start to cool down at least a little bit. Storm Tracker 6 radar has been overall pretty quiet. We've dodged a stray thunderstorm over Gatlinburg and maybe dealing with some brief heavy rain right along the spine of the Smokies down in Monroe County. Rain chances do increase for your Thursday and Friday. I've got details on just how long this heat sticks around coming up.
All right, thank you, Victoria. And we are sticking with the heat for our next Big 7 story. Hot weather is firing up businesses that specialize in helping people cool off. Places like Smoky Mountain River Rat Tubing. We traveled up to Townsend today. We found a lot of visitors making the same trip for a dip in the Little River. This is normally the time of year when River Rat sees more guests. Hot weather adds to that, with locals joining tourists looking for some relief.
We are seeing a little bit more of locals this year, but there's a solid mix every year. Usually at this time, we're just seeing a steady influx of just everyone across the board. So we get guests from all over the world, including just around the U.S. So at this point, we're already seeing people from all over, all 50 states.
As the summer begins and the warm weather sticks around, the number of people on the river is expected to remain high too. You've heard it before from us. You'll hear it again. When it's this hot and this humid, you've got to think about your health and safety while also keeping vulnerable neighbors or family members in mind. One crucial step, staying hydrated with plenty of water, and find a cool, shady spot when you can. Remember, heat-related illnesses can certainly sneak up on you. Also, be on the lookout for signs of heat exhaustion like red, clammy skin, feeling weak or lightheaded. On the more extreme end, heat stroke can include that same sign of turning red, but also you stop sweating, you have confusion, or even losing consciousness. It's a good idea to check on those who are elderly, critically ill, and those who can't leave their homes. And if you have to work outside in this heat, our hats are off to you. Remember, you will need even more water, more breaks, and maybe just more time, working at a slower pace to get the job done without being overworked. Our next big story, a tragic trend getting even worse. More of your neighbors are dying from drug overdoses. New numbers just out in the Knox Center's 2021 drug-related death report. The Knox County Regional Forensic Center says those suspected overdose deaths went up 29% in the county last year. That's on top of the 41% increase recorded the year before. It covers Anderson County as well, where the numbers were even worse, a 67% increase in drug overdose deaths after an 81% jump in 2020. Together, the two counties logged 605 drug-related deaths. Fentanyl and versions of it were the most often identified drugs in those deaths, but more than 3/4 had multiple drugs to blame. People between 34 and 44 years old were the largest age group, but Knox County had the sharpest increase for those ages 55 to 64. A sad anniversary is next on our big story list. Today marks 1 year that Summer Wells has been missing. The Amber Alert for this little girl is still active. She still has not been found. At the time she was 5 years old, last spotted around her home in the Beach Creek community of Knox County. The TBI and local investigators gathered again today, but they couldn't offer really new information. Search after search has come up empty. They still don't know what happened to Summer.
Well, I can promise you that we will continue to conduct target searches in the Beach Creek area as new information is developed. We'll also continue to follow up on any legitimate leads.
If you have new, credible information, and we want to emphasize new and credible, remember this investigation has been hampered by bogus tips, a bunch of rumors and speculation. If what you know really can help investigators, please call 1-800-TBI-FIND. Our next big story has us tracking coronavirus and seeing numbers on the rise again. The Knox County Health Department released its weekly COVID report today. As you see here, it shows 564 new cases over the week ending June 11th. Also in these figures, 5 new deaths, bringing the total death toll in Knox County to 1,405. Hospitalizations are also up, with 51 COVID patients in the hospital right now. That is 10 more than the week before. On the national level, a step closer to getting the last group of Americans vaccinated against COVID, as an independent panel told the FDA it's recommending the Moderna vaccine for kids under 6 and the Pfizer vaccine for kids under 5. Well, now the process is in the hands of FDA leadership for approval. CDC advisors meet Friday and Saturday ahead of a possible final approval by CDC Director Rochelle Walensky. If all that moves forward, vaccines for those kids could be available as early as sometime next week. Our next big story, a crime alert, and the victim, 92 years old. Knoxville police asking for your help to find this man. He's accused of robbing that 92-year-old woman outside her home. According to police, it happened near Tazewell Pike Sunday afternoon. The woman called police after she says a man snatched her purse and drove away with her cash and her credit cards in his Ford truck. Investigators identified Michael Bledsoe as the suspect, along with matching the description. Investigators say he was seen on this surveillance footage at the same Sam's Club before the robbery. Police believe he followed the woman from the store and, after stealing her credit cards, used them later at area businesses. Warrants have been issued charging Bledsoe with robbery, identity theft, and evading arrest, and we're told he has outstanding warrants out of Knox County for aggravated burglary and theft from a separate incident. If you have any information that could help investigators track him down, you're asked to call East Tennessee Valley Crime Stoppers at the number on your screen, 865-215-7165. Our next big story, money coming to a group working to stop violence. We told you last night, Knoxville City Council approved the $450,000 for Turn Up Knox to help further its mission. This group has partnered with the city and another organization, Seed Inc., to form community-based violence intervention and prevention initiatives. They're aiming to guide young people the right direction, all part of the effort to make our city safer. Volunteers already active in different areas of town. This new money means the chance to pay those workers for what they're doing.
We have a few interrupters already on staff that we're going to be putting together. Some of it is going to involve case management work. And then also a lot of that funding is going to go to the groundwork. And like I said, reaching out to those small grassroots organizations that's already doing the work, seeing how we can assist them.
City Council also voted to begin the application process for a $1.5 million federal grant to help with the violence prevention program. Turn Up Knox also wants to help with case management and create mentorship programs for Knoxville's young people.